Hello everyone, welcome to another free capstone project idea presented by our team entitled Best Game Python Project Ideas. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates. Python is a versatile language that you can use for building all sorts of applications, including game development. In this essay, we'll provide you with the list of topics to explore in Python for game development. A game engine is a system designed for the creation and development of video games. A game engine's main features are usually a rendering engine, renderer, for 2D or 3D graphics, a physics engine or collision detection system, sound, scripting, animation, artificial intelligence, networking, streaming, memory management, and threading. Some game engines also come with a level editor that lets programmers make and change levels. Support for user-made changes in mods, multiplayer gaming, and built-in tutorials are also often included. Here are some of the game engines in Python. Pygame Arcade Kivirimpi Panda 3D Pygame Zero AdventureLib. Pygame is often the first Python game engine that comes to people's minds when they think of game engines written in Python. Studying game development is a worthwhile endeavor for a lot of different reasons, so it's no surprise that people want to do it. One of the reasons for this is that a job in game creation may be quite satisfying. Game designers have the potential to craft breathtaking adventures that keep players engrossed and entertained for long periods of time if they possess the necessary skills. Game development can also be a tremendously creative outlet, enabling creators to express their ideas and build games that are distinctive and exciting in their own right. In conclusion, developing video games can be an excellent method for acquiring new programming and design skills. A fun method to spend some time while also enhancing your vocabulary is to play a game like word search. The goal of the game is to find every single one hidden within a grid. In most cases, the grid will consist of a sequence of letters that are laid out in rows and columns. You can play the game by yourself or with a number of other people. As new Python users learn the basics, creating such programs will enhance their confidence. There are many different ways to write a snake game in Python. One way would be to use the Pygame library. Pygame is a free and open-source Python library for making multimedia applications. It is used by video game developers to create games and other multimedia applications. The snake game is an old game that has been played for a long time. It is a simple game that is easy to learn and can be very addicting. The goal of the game is to eat as many as you can without hitting the walls or your tail. As the game goes on, the snake gets longer, making it harder to avoid the snake body and the wall. Another game idea that you can work with using Python is the Tetris game. Tetris is a classic puzzle game that has won the hearts and minds of gamers all over the world. The goal of the game is easy. Clear as many lines as you can by putting falling blocks in the right places. The game gets harder, though, because the blocks fall faster as the game goes on, making it harder to keep up. The game of TicTacToe is usually played with paper and pencil by two people. A 3x3 grid is used to play the game. Most of the time, the first player is called X, and the second player is called O. Each player puts their symbol on the grid in turn. Tic-tac-toe is a simple game with easy-to-understand rules. The goal of the game is to line up three matching symbols in a row, either vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. This is one of the more interesting Python game project ideas for beginners. If you want to create a simple game in Python, this idea is just for you. The Simple Math game is a quiz game with drag and drop feature that will allow the users to drag and drop the correct answer. Simple Math game in Python consists of basic topics such as addition and subtraction. This Python project for beginners lets you learn about the basics of programming and different ways to code. A table with 6 pockets, cue sticks, and balls is used to play the cue sport known as pool. Billiards is another name for the game. The simple pool game was created using a Python module, which offers a number of libraries with a wide range of platforms for creating apps. The game has a straightforward windowed interface with objects and sprites. The left mouse button can be used by the player to play the game. Simply strike the white ball to force the colored balls into the hole is all there is to the game. It only takes one accurate stroke to put multiple colored balls in the hole and score in this intensely competitive game. Your objective in the straightforward arcade game Simple Pool is to score as many points as you can. In this picture guessing game, you will be shown a series of images and asked to guess what they are. You may be shown an image of a famous landmark, a popular movie, or a well-known person. With each image, you will be given a list of possible answers to choose from. To play, simply select the answer that best matches the image. Be as accurate as you can, and see if you can earn a high score. Beginning with a project like the picture guessing game in Python can help you get your career off to a strong start. Popular game rock paper scissors is frequently used to resolve conflicts or choose who will carry out specific tasks. The rules of the game are straightforward. Each player chooses rock, paper, or scissors, and both players simultaneously announce their selections. This is another idea that you can convert into a simple game in Python. The idea is simple: paper defeats scissors, rock defeats paper, and rock defeats scissors. The outcome of the game is tied if both players select the same thing. Guessing musical and audio information is the focus of this game. You must pay close attention and make an effort to recognize the sound or music being played. Playing this game with family or friends can be enjoyable. See how many sounds or musical compositions you can accurately guess. This game can also be a great way to learn more about different sounds and music. If you have completed the picture guessing game and quiz game in Python, then this should be easy. The idea of this one is the combination of guessing game and quiz game. This is a great way to put your skills in Python to a test by developing a simple yet entertaining game. They challenge players to remember patterns and sequences of images or colors, and then repeat them back in the correct order. These games are not only entertaining, but they can also help improve your memory and cognitive skills. Studies have shown that people who regularly play memory puzzle games tend to have better memory skills than those who don't. With that, we should try to create and develop this game in Python, for it will increase our memory and coding ability as well. Other Python project ideas: Flappy Bird game in Python, speed typing test in Python, Canvas puzzle game, Sudoku game, Python project, drag and drop game, Ninja Run game using Python project, space race game using Python, plane shooter game, tank destroyer game using Pygame, Hangman project in Python, car racer game using Pygame. 12. Dice rolling simulator in Python project 13. Board games 14. 2048 game using Pygame 15. Target practice game 16. Spot the difference game 17. Python project on Battleship game 18. Slide puzzle game 19. Connect the dots game 20. Simple dodgeball game 21. Snake and ladder game 22. Python Pac-Man game 23. Python ping pong game 24. Pinball game 25. Quiz game Python project idea 26. Identify the shape game in Python 27. Voucher wheel 28. Shooter game in Python 29. True or false game Python project 30. Text twist game in Python. In this article, we have presented several Python project topics and ideas in game development. There are many reasons why we should study game development. For one, game development is a field that is growing rapidly. As the industry grows, there will be an increasing demand for game developers. We hope that you will put your skills and knowledge in Python by developing any of the topics presented above. Thank you for watching. For more free capstone projects, ideas and resources, Please subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates on our channel. You may also reach us on our Facebook page and website.